stretches. Give it to the judges. Ooh, yeah. Really show the judges every single inch of your face, baby. Oh yeah. Really get into all of this, baby. The 2 1 10 2 10 10s across the board. Anybody else walking face? No binary face. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. The category closed, which means grand prize non-binary face, baby! You're gonna get a gorgeous J-Fest package, arranged and everything. You look great, bitch. All the foil. You look like one of the Beyonce outfits, but like, make it ballroom, bitch. So, give one of those shots. Well, the gorgeous, the gorgeous. Give it up one more time, everybody.